everyone. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So we are from CSC IoT second year. Myself Abhinay. Samiksha.
I am Arul Chandran. Sanjeev Kumar.
Dear all, in this session we are going to discuss about one case study on Bayes theorem. Okay, let us start now. You proceed.
So the problem set we are going to see in a bowl factory mission. In a bowl factory, machines A, B, and C manufacture 25%, 35%, and 40% of the total of their output. Of the total of their output, 5%, 4%, and 2% are defective bolts. A bolt is drawn from the product and is found to be defective. What are the probabilities that it was manufactured by machine A, B, and C? So the next, the initial part of the solution where we assign events based on the output manufactured by the machines. So B1 and B2 and B3 represent the bolts manufactured by machines A, B, and C, and we find the probability of each machine's output ratio, where the probability of event one, that is the A machine's output is 25 by 100, and the probability of B2 event is 35 by 100. Probability of B3 event is 40 by 100, and we define another event where D, which is represented by the defective bolt, and for the cooperated event D by B1, the probability is 5 by 100. For D by B2, it is 4 by 100, and for D by B3, it is 2 by 100. So next, by Bayes theorem, P of B1 by D equal to probability of B1 into probability of D by B1 divided by summation of I equal to 1 to n
1 to 3.
1 to 3. So probability of B into probability of DB. So in this position we expand it as
Yes. Plus P of B2 into D given B2 into plus P of B3 D given D.
So now we substitute the values of P of B1, P of B2, P of B3, and P of D by B1, P of D by B2, P of D by B3, and after the substitution we need to cancel R.
So after taking common factor outside, then only we can cancel. So by cancelling these things, we get numerator we get 125, denominator we get 25 into 5, 35 into 4, 40 into 4. Adding these values, we get 125 by 345. By simplification,
25 by 16.
25 by 16. Okay. Next. So now we are guess proceed. So find the probability of B2 given D, which is same formula. Here we are changing B2. So the denominator will be same for this. The numerator will be 35 by 100 into 4 by 100. And by simplifying, we will be getting 140 by 345. And by cancelling, we will be getting 28 by 16. And the last part, P of B given D, B3 given D, the same denominator we use, and then for the numerator we use P of B3 multiplied by P of D given B3. So we substitute all the values from the given, and then we get the solution as 80 by 345, which is 16 by 69. So by using Bayes theorem, here they have given the machines manufactured by the bolts 25%, 35, 40% of their output, 5, 4, and 2% are defective. So first we need to find the probability of P1, P2, P3 values, and defective bolt produced by machine A and defective bolt produced by machine 2, machine B, defective bolt produced by machine 3. After finding these values, we need to substitute in the Bayes theorem concept. Here we are finding we found the defective bolt. Here we are going to find it was manufactured by the machine A. After that, it was manufactured by the machine B. Then we found the probability of the defective board manufactured by the machine C. In this way, we found the probability. Thank you all. Thank you for your good cooperation.